So I've had this purse for a really long time. It's the Celine like triple bag purse where the two outside pouches come off through snaps and they snap on. I've used this purse so much and I love it. And one thing that's kind of broken a few times over the years is the strap. You can see here one side fell off pretty recently. And you can actually see too, there's all of these like the adjustable buckle holes are in it as well. So at one point, this was an adjustable strap and it also broke off and I just didn't need the adjustable part, so I left it. I sewed it back in just as a straight strap. And I've liked it that way and it's been fine to have no adjustable part of the strap for me. So when it came off again, I decided to just buy a new strap because you can see the strap is really worn, especially where like the holes are, especially where the holes are that were used. It's just kind of worn and used, and I was like, maybe it's nice to just buy a new strap for this. So I thought I would just fix it, but buy a totally new leather strap. I figured it wasn't that expensive. So I went to the place I always go for all of my trims. I went to Pacific Trimming in New York City. This is where I go for like, I don't know, just any random thing that I need, elastic, cotton, twill tape. And I went to see if they had any kind of strap type leather. And I got this for about $4.90. I got about 1 yard. 1 yard of this kind of like woven leather, real leather strap. And again, since I don't really need an adjustable strap, I was like, this is perfect, it's really simple. I took the bag with me just to make sure it matched okay, but it's black, so it's pretty easy to match. I thought it should hopefully look really good with the bag. It's just like a nice little detail. The bag is really simple, so I thought it might be nice to have a strap that has like this kind of basket weave or woven detail. It's a pretty simple fix, I think, for this bag. I think it'll look cute in the bag. And then I can keep using it because I've used this bag probably for over 10 years, at least 10 years I've had this bag. And it's great, the modular parts of it where you can like remove pouches. I honestly use 1 or 2 pouches very often, but it is nice to be able to have 3 pouches if I have extra stuff I'm bringing. It like looks really small, but it actually holds a lot when you use all 3 pouches. So yeah, let's sew on this strap, and I'm hoping I sew it on strong enough this time that it does not fall off. On the purse, you can see like the stitching is quite thick. I don't actually have that thick of thread that like leather bag making people use. So I'm just going to use my normal sewing thread here. It might be a little too thin, it might not work well. We're going to see. It's 100% polyester, which I feel like is a good thing just because polyester can just last a little bit longer. I think I might try to do 3 or 4 ply of this thread, and strength-wise it might be okay if I do 3 or 4 like plies of this. So we're gonna see and hope it stays attached this time. But if not, it's a pretty easy thing to fix, to like replace out, and I can always replace it again with a different type of leather strap if I want. It's nice to know I can replace it because the strap does get pretty worn on purses and bags in general. I'm really happy with how this came out. I finished it. Here it is finished with all of the 3 pouches on it. What's nice is the front pouch kind of hides where the sewing is of where I put the strap back on. So if I take this front one off though, you can see better. Here, all I did was follow where the leather holes already were, because as you probably know, in leather, once you make a hole in leather, the hole is there forever. It's not like fabric where if you make a hole, the hole kind of goes away because of the weave of the fabric can kind of move and make it disappear. Leather doesn't work that way. Once there's a hole in leather, it's always there. So the best thing to do with these things is see if you can just follow the holes that are already in the leather. So that's what I did here, is just followed the holes that were already here within the strap location area. I followed those same exact holes and just sewed thread sort of repeatedly through it. So hopefully it's also pretty strong as well. Yeah, I like it. It's really nice. You can use it as a one shoulder bag. It's a good length as a one shoulder bag. It's also a good length as a crossbody for me. They both work really well at this length. I like that it's really clean. I like that there's nothing adjustable on it. It just looks really clean and sharp that way, which I like. Let me know if you have a handbag that needs a new strap, or the strap broke off or is damaged. Let me know if you try this and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, and I will see you in the next one.